Hey guys, it's Bruno here, and today I'm gonna show you guys the right way to do a push-up. So push-ups are great, right? They can be done almost anywhere and they work almost every muscle in your body. And today I'm just gonna show you how to do them right so you avoid injury and your energy expenditure goes only for muscle growth and doesn't get wasted. I'm gonna save you a lot of energy. Let's just do this. Our hands have to stay slightly more open than our shoulders. Our feet are slightly apart, and the main thing is our body has to stay straight, okay? And when you go down, the body keeps remaining straight. So if you're doing it like this, you're doing it wrong. And also if you're doing it like this, it's also wrong, okay? You have to stay straight and go as far as your chest nearly touches the floor, just like this. I also got some advice for you. If you're just beginning with push-ups or if you haven't done them in a long time, don't work your muscles till failure, because you're gonna feel pain in your chest like typically 24 to 72 hours after. That's called DOMS, which means delayed onset muscle soreness, and it's not recommended. So if you're just beginning, just do 6 to 9 reps, 3 to 4 sets, and then gradually increase it. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and next time you do push-ups, make sure you make it just like I did, okay? Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, alright? Thank you.